DJM TV.
I'll say the way it is in my heart, and the heart of so many Nigerians. The truth is, I can't be leading 4-0 to Sierra Leone and concede 4 goals for no reason. There's no reason. Since I became the president of NFL, this is the worst loss I've seen in my life. The next few days, I wonder I'm going to sleep. It's not because of losing. It's not because we won't qualify for the Nations Cup. It's certainly because this is towards the end of the year. This is our last match at home. You know the way, the passion, the love Nigerians have for this game. It's football. Definitely it's football. It can go either way. But what happened to us? Were we complacent? Were we just so comfortable that we're leading 4-0 and all of a sudden the goal starts coming in? At the end of the day, nobody's going to call your name. Everybody's the coach. And Amaju Pinnick. That is the truth. But unfortunately, he's not going to be the one on. He's not the one on the pitch. I'm not the one on the pitch. I saw the reaction of your captain after they scored the 4th goal, and I shed tears for the first time in a long time. That spirit of competition is not there anymore, to me, and that's the truth. I'm not the coach. If I were the coach, there are some people I will select, there are some people that will not come to the team again, and that's the truth. Nigeria has 200 million people. We are 11. We should consider ourselves privileged playing for the national team, and that's the truth. We should consider ourselves privileged playing for the national team. It hurts me so deep. It hurts all of us. I cannot even think of anything else, because we put in a lot. I did a checklist yesterday. The flights, the immigration, custom, everything, just to make sure that everything goes seamlessly. Should I call this a wake-up call? No, I won't. We've woken up. This is Nigeria. It's a big country. We don't wake up playing Sierra Leone. You wake up playing Brazil. You wake up playing Argentina. You wake up playing Senegal. So please, if it was only a scoreless draw, it would have been a different ball game. From the defense to the midfield of attack, that will make us be that green, white, green that we are, proud footballing nation. It's for us to go to Sierra Leone and beat them that 4-0 on reply. It's not winning. Winning is an understatement. It's to give them that 4-0 and make sure they don't score one. That is the only thing we'll do from the blast of the whistle to the end of that game. I'm also bothered about our ranking. I'm bothered about so many things that possibly people are not bothered about. We take the blame every day. When I sat down to look at the checklist, what has not been done? Ask him, I'll call the secretary, call the team doctor, call everything. I'm the president, but I took charge because of the importance of this game to you and to Nigerians. So please, I'm very emotional now. I feel very pained. I feel extremely pained. I'm not going to lie to you. When I was coming, oh, cheer them up. No, I'm not going to cheer up. I can't cheer you up and remain pained. No. Let us suffer the emotions together. Don't cheer anybody up. Not anymore. So please, I've told you, and I mean it. We should go. I'm going to be sitting with your coach. There are some things we are not going to accept anymore. When I saw your captain, I saw his mood. I knew, because he's one person that loves this country beyond comprehension. If everybody can demonstrate that, so please, we'll take the blame. But the beauty about falling down is be resurgent enough to bounce back. bounce back in the grand style. Because what you've done to them now is that you've given them confidence. Nigeria is beatable. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. They want to go there. I wish Yobo, he would have wished, oh, if only I could get into the field as a defender to defend this last game. The same thing me. I'm talking very, very seriously. We must re-engineer this team. We must go to Freetown. And we must beat them in Freetown by these 4 goals. That we know truly that the Eagles have landed. We must do it. So please, please, please. Otherwise, like I can tell you, it's the truth. If all those players that many of them play in national team, the highest player is Sky Kamara playing in FC Minnesota. That's it. Leicester, Everton, Rangers, the biggest clubs. But the important thing is that we're Nigerians. Even though we fall, but let's get up here. So please, we should double our effort, triple our effort, and go to Freetown and win that game by 4-0, not 3. I know why. It is very symbolic for us to win by 4-0, so that they will know that what happened in Nigeria was a fluke. Thank you very much. I leave it there.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.